Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you're all having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to show you my B&M Bargins haul. I initially went to B&M Bargins to find the cubed shelving that I want for my son's room, and they didn't have any, but I picked up a ton more fun things. So unfortunately we didn't get the cube storage, which I know I can buy at IKEA, so I'm not that bothered. It was slightly cheaper in B&M, so over the next couple of weeks, if I can't get it in B&M, I am just going to go and buy it from IKEA. But let's get started, and I'll show you guys some of the fun things that I purchased. You guys might not think they're fun. Some necessities, some whimsical. The first little items that I bought are these Crusty Rolls. We love eating soup. I don't like eating soup on its own. I love dipping in a nice crusty roll. But I find that sometimes when I buy rolls, I leave them overnight and they go a little stale. I know you can pop them back into the oven and just heat them up for a little bit, but I love these sort of pre-cooked or ready to bake ones that you can bake yourself because they come out warm, crispy, and they're delicious. And it takes about the same time to make the crusty rolls as it does to cook the soup in a pot on the stove. So these ones are made by Baker's Mill. They're a 4-pack of crusty roll. They're ready to bake in 6 to 8 minutes. And they're really good. I've had these before. And the other thing I like about these, this bread lasts quite a number of months. So that's pretty darn awesome. And I'm looking forward to having my soup with that. I picked up this. Oh no, one of these are missing. Oh, I'm so gutted. Is it in there? Oh, no, it's in there. That's good. I hate it when you buy things and some things are missing. I picked up this little set for a friend. She loves Friends, as do I. But I already have these. These are a Central Perk nail varnish, and they're the Friends. I am a little gutted. This is not open, so that nail polish is definitely going to be in there. I'm just going to have to open the bottom. So guys, bear with me. I'm going to come back and I'll show you when I get it fixed. Okay guys, so crisis averted. The nail polish was actually there. The bottom of the little packaging has broken, so that's why it came out. But I have little glue dots, and I will use the little glue dots on the nail polish lid to attach it, so that shouldn't happen again. But we have some really funky little colors. We have this gorgeous pink, and every single bottle says Friends on it, which I really, really love. We have pink, we have this gorgeous lemon yellow, we have this like violet purple, and this stunning Central Perk green. So I think that's pretty decent. I purchased this little pack, it was on sale for £2, and I think that's pretty decent for a little nail polish, 50p each, and the fact that they are Friends branded. So I think that's pretty good. We're just going to pop that there because I'm going to fix that after we've done this video. A couple of other things. I like making different things for dinner. So the first thing I purchased is this sausage casserole full of flavour Coleman's pack. I love this sausage casserole. It is delicious, and it's very tomatoey based, but it's so good. Literally all you need are sausages, onions, and mushrooms. They do have some tomatoes in theirs. I don't put those in mine, but you just cook those all together in a big crock pot, throw in your Coleman's casserole sauce, and it is awesome. This little pack is only 49p, and it feeds 4, and it definitely does feed 4. Really, really good. The next thing I got are these Maggie's cooking bags. I've used these so many times. This one is the Glorious Tasty Garlic. This is new to me. I've never had this before, but I love this. It tells you the things that you need. So the ingredients, you know, garlic, onions, parsley, so all of that is inside this package. It's a little cooking bag that you get at the top. These are drumsticks, but I put in chicken breasts. You put them in, you cook them for approximately 35-40 minutes inside the bag. No mess, no hassle. Shake it up, and it is gorgeous. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. And that is going to be super tasty. I'm going to try and tilt this bag down so it's easier for me. Guys, I'm trying to do my best to be a bit more eco-friendly, and I do have a tumble dryer. I don't use it often because in the warmer months, I tend to hang my clothes outside. Or if I have my heating on, I will put selected things around my radiators to try and dry them rather than use my tumble dryer. But sometimes in the winter months, it does have to go on. But I'm trying to be a little bit more eco-friendly. So instead of buying dryer sheets, I've decided to check out these dryer packs. They're only $1.50 for the 2 dryer balls. And it says the dryer balls are a natural way to soften fabrics. They're hypoallergenic and reusable. So I'm definitely going to give these a go. I mean, look, this is what it tells you it's like before, focus, and this is what it's like after. So I'm hoping, get these little things open. I'm hoping that these work. And they did have, oh my gosh, they did have two different colors. They had the gray with the pink. I'm not a huge pink lover, or they had the gray with the white. So I decided to pick these up. I mean, these are pretty solid balls. So I'll give you guys an update in the description to let you know what I think of those and if I think they are definitely worth buying again. What else have we got in here? Oh, I love these toaster waffles. Guys, I didn't tell you the price of this. I knew there was something. This one was 69p, which I think is a bit of a bargain. These wonderful waffles, they're straight off the waffle iron. I put these in the toaster for literally less than 30 seconds and they are delish. They're crunchy. They're a great little snack. I don't ever put anything on them. Sometimes maple syrup, but usually nothing. You get 6, so you get 3 and 3, and they are just great for snacking on. I don't eat these often because they are calorific, but if I'm in need of a sugar fix, these are definitely my go-to. And they were only 70p, which I think is really good because other places I've seen them, and they are £1 a pack. So I thought that was really worth picking up. Guys, the next thing I picked up, I don't tend to cut my own hair, just so you guys know. I do tend to just sometimes take the rough edges off the bottom. So I decided to get this Style Studio hair cutting kit with reusable wallet. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, you can reuse it. There's a button right here. And inside it, you get 2 hair clips and a pair of sharp scissors, hair scissors. This was on offer at 49p, and I just thought I would pick it up and see if it does for just trimming off the dead split ends in my hair, not cutting my hair, just trimming off the minimal from the bottom. And I just thought, why not pick it up and see? If not, I mean, I like the clips for when I'm straightening my hair, and the scissors can be used for a multitude of other things. We have our dryer ball garbage. So guys, oh, you can hear the clink, clink, clink. At B&M, at B&M, I purchased an Air Pure plug-in. It was £2 for the plug-in and 1 cent. I then purchased another set of the Pure Air, and it was the fresh cotton. But I really love fruit scented air fresheners. So I decided to buy another one when they were on this special buy. So I purchased these. These are test. Ooh, you can actually rub to test the scent. Ooh, that's very fruity. So you get 2 of the fruit burst. They last up to 200 days each. So I think each. So that's pretty awesome. And I have a spur set for £2. I think that's not bad. I also purchased these. These are on a special buy. I love B&M special buys. These are 2 door stoppers that help prevent pinched fingers. They easily grip onto any door and they're soft and flexible. Well, the reason that I purchased these is because I purchased these little door stoppers from Wish. They are not from Wish, from Shein. Now they are fine, but they don't always stay the way I want them to, and my doors hit off the walls and they cause marks. So I'm going to remove all these and I'm going to put these ones on instead. I know these are bigger and bulkier, but they're for the back of the door. Majority of my doors stay open. So I'm going to give these a go, especially because I'm getting 2 of them for £1. I thought, why not just buy them and see if, I mean, these are pretty darn sturdy. Even though they're foam, they're going to just stop my doors creating those bang marks on my walls. So I'm hoping arc one step ahead. That's pretty good. I'm hoping that these do the job that I want them to do. And guys, like I said, I purchased 2 packs because I need 2 packs. And I am going to just remove the old ones and use these ones and see if they're any good. I mean, I'm not too worried about, oh, I thought I could condense all that. That's fine. That's all recyclable anyway. And we'll set it over here with the other recycling. Yeah, these ones weren't the best. I mean, they move, they fall around the handle. These ones seem to me like if I put them on the handle, they could hopefully stop my walls getting scuffed, but you never know. You can only check, and that's what we'll do. So, more snacks. If you guys have not tasted potato, cheese, and onion, oh my gosh, you guys are missing out. These are the nicest crisps. Potato make their crisps full of flavour. My mouth is actually watering right now talking about these. These 5-pack of cheese and onion are only £1, which I think is great. Because potato, cheese and onion. I was recently in Dublin and I paid €1.65 plus a conversion rate for a packet of potato, cheese and onion. It's a slightly different version, but I'm so glad that I got the 5-pack and I got them on bargain, special buy at £1. What else do we have inside this bag? Oh, I have 2 favorite teas. One is this Thai Fu 1 cup, which I think is awesome. This is only £1 for 100 tea bags, which I think is great. And the other tea that I really, really, really love is Tetley's tea. It's a little bit more expensive and they didn't have any when I was there today. So I needed some tea bags. So I picked up this Thai Fu. I think 100 bags, 100 tea bags, 100 cups of tea for £1 is pretty darn awesome. So I definitely needed that. Some exciting moisture cream legs and body hair removal to remove the hair from my legs. This is really good for me because it is gentle and it comes off really, really well. It removes all the hair that I need to, and it's only £1 and it takes 5 minutes. So that for me, probably not super exciting for you guys, but definitely exciting for me. We completely ran out of disposable gloves. We use disposable gloves at home for a lot of things. I use them for putting on my fake tan. We use them for cutting chilies. We use them for cutting onions because we don't want the scent of the onions. It's so hard to get that onion smell and the garlic smell from your hands. These are latex free, which is definitely a bonus. And you're getting 500 gloves for $2.99. These are also great when you're taking out your bins. We're all still in the middle of a pandemic and we're all, I think, a little frightened about what's been going on. So I like to make sure that I have gloves around. So if we're bringing in and out our bins, we use gloves and we dispose of them. That way we can do our utmost to make sure that we're not passing COVID to anybody, but also the fact that we're not contracting COVID. So guys, the last 3 things that I bought are all identical, but I am in love with these. They're so cute. Okay, carrying on. These are the last 3 things that I purchased. So let me pull you guys forward a little bit. I purchased these Central Perk containers. These Central Perk containers are on a special buy. Love B&M special buys, and they're just they're just jars, really jars, like airtight jars. I have had an idea. I need to get these special buy stickers off. Well, I'll take it off this one and then I'll show you guys what I was hoping to do with these. I do have tea, coffee, and sugar. Sugar we don't use a whole lot of, but I do have tea, coffee, and sugar jars. and they're right here. You probably saw them off to the side. They're just these black little jars with a window in the front so you can see what they are. But I thought, how fun would it be to change them up and get new ones. I've had these ones for quite a long time. They have got dented. They're a little dinged up. And I just thought it would be so much fun to have a little Friends jar and transfer all of these. I can get them in to our little Central Perk. Oh my gosh, we have English breakfast tea. Let's pop that in there too at the back. And I just thought this would kind of give my tea, coffee and sugar containers just a little G up. How cute is that? It just looks so nice. So, like I said, I bought 3 of these, 1 for each. Let's try and get the sticker off this one all in one. And I am going to, guys, I have already washed these out, just so you know. Oh, I didn't take the little storage, the little bit off the bottom. But I did wash them out and dry them before using them. I don't want you to think that I just threw my stuff in. I didn't. That's just... but how cute. Central Perk. And I know Friends has been, I think, off air for so long, 20 years maybe, maybe longer. I'm really, really not sure. But it is, you know, almost like a cult thing. You know, I know that my nieces are watching Friends again. Oh no, I've already made a mess with the coffee. But let's see if we can get this coffee in without creating a total mess. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for these jars. And I like the fact that they hold a lot more than my own jars. My own jars are really, really tiny. They're not tiny, they're not massive. But how cute is that? That is so different to anything that I've ever had before and a little bit more funky. So let's see if we can get the sugar in. Sugar in our house, I don't know, we don't really eat. We eat candy, we eat sweets. We don't take a lot of sugar in our food. So we buy sugar because relatives do. But our sugar can literally last us, a bag of sugar can last us so long. And you'll probably find that the sugar in that canister, and I'm going to take all this, the remnants of the rest of this off after this video. It's probably going to be quite, not so bad actually. Let's see if I can try and get it all to fall inside the jar. I didn't do too bad. Let's see. Yep, a lot of sugar still stuck at the bottom. We'll try and get that out. Yeah, guys, we don't use a lot of... I just threw sugar all over myself. My gosh. Anyway, so we don't use a lot of sugar in our house. But let's get this off my hand. But I just think this is super cute. Look how cute this is. It kind of reminds me of going into a coffee shop and them having all these glass jars so you can see all the types of coffee. I'm ecstatic that I got them on a... on the, they call it the special buys. Over the moon. This is going to make my little tea station super, super cute. And I am totally buzzing. Well, guys, I had so much fun. I hope you did too. If you did, don't forget to like this video. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, come ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my up and coming videos. And guys, I hope you have the most amazing day. Please, please, please stay safe. Please, please, please look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.